Hey everybody, welcome to the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel. I'm your friend Richard from Mobility Direct. In this video, I'm going to show you my 3 favorite folding scooters of 2023. On my left, you have the eFOLDi. In the middle, you have the Buzzaround Carry-on, and on the right, you have the Solax Transformer 2. We sell a lot of mobility scooters, a lot of folding scooters. There's tons of them on the web, but these 3 have made it to my top because mainly quality. I feel like these are going to last you the longest. So between the 3, you have some choices and options here. eFOLDi. These are going to be the most lightweight of the bike. Your Buzzaround Carry-on has the most capacity on a battery, and your Solax Transformer's got suspension, smart tiller with the LCD screen, and the 14-mile FAA-compliant airline battery. So, if you stick around until the end of this video, I'll tell you how you could win a free mobility scooter and get yourself a free catalog sent to your home. Let's go around here and look at the different tillers eFOLDi's very basic tiller. You turn it on and off here. Forward reverse throttle right here. Carry on. You have a key to turn it on. The battery gauge speed regular, not regulator knob. Light switch, horn, USB phone charger. Here's the Transformer 2. Let's turn that light off so we can see. So you got lights on it. Now you got your buttons to open and fold it. Oh yeah. By the way, this is the only one of these that you can fold with the push of a button. I will show you how to fold them all. Speed regulator knob. Open. Close button key fob to open and close. You also can charge the scooter here with a built-in USB port right there. That's really nice. The throttle on the Solax Transformer is a delta tiller. Whereas it's a finger throttle on the Transformer or on the Carry-on. Sorry, the Carry-on. And it's a thumb throttle on the eFOLDi. So a little bit difference in the handlebars. Now as we work our way down the Transformer, you can adjust the handlebar up and down, forward and back. Carry-on. You can only adjust it forward and back. And on the eFOLDi, it's like a motorcycle. You just gotta ride it the way it is. The footroom. All right, we're working our way on down the footroom. I'm 6'1". The footroom on this Transformer, 2 for somebody tall, is really good. On the GB120, it's even better. It's probably the best of the 3. And on the eFOLDi, it's kind of tight right here, but I've upgraded it with the aftermarket foot pegs, and it makes a world of a difference for somebody. My height get a little wider and more room on it. So all of them on all these scooters. The battery's located where your feet go. Boom, boom, boom. These are the standard seats that it comes with. Pretty good seats on Buzzaround and Transformer. I'm going to recommend that upgraded seat cushion on the eFOLDi because it makes it a lot better. So you see the lights on the Transformer 2 Carry-on, but not the eFOLDi. We'll like to add, you see the freewheel levers on the Transformer and the Carry-on the eFOLDi. It's in the front because it's a front hub motor. So the front-wheel drive, they all have automatic brakes. It's just these 2 have a transaxle in the back. So your eFOLDi will do about 9 miles with an FAA-compliant battery. Your Carry-on comes with an 18-mile battery that's not FAA-compliant for around, I think it's $200 to $300. You could get that extra FAA-compliant battery. You'd have 2 batteries, and the Transformer does have an airline-compliant 14-mile max range battery with it. So if you're looking for distances on them, this one comes with the most, the lightweight one, eFOLDi comes with the least, and the Transformer's right in the middle. But if you're looking for airline travel, you will have to buy another battery. At the time of this video, Transformer is $27.75, Buzzaround Carry-on is $20.19, eFOLDi is $29.99. All available mobilitydirect.com with 0 tax and free shipping. Call us. Ask for a discount. 8669351069. Look. All right, so armrest you have on the Transformer, you got adjustable. You can adjust the angle. On the Carry-on, they're not adjustable. They just flip back, and on the eFOLDi, you got no armrests. And oh, look at that. Air tires. Air tires in the back. These tires. You push this button, you can remove them to make the scooter. like 31 pounds. It gets extremely lightweight. If you want to see the specifications, go to the Mobility Direct website. And I think we're going to do a quick little ride of these inside the store to check out turning radius. All right, so we're on the Foldy. It's got a really good turning radius. I'm turning around these scooters. No problem. Look at the Traveler. That wheel. Oh yeah, a lot of turning radius. Let's check out our Buzzaround Carry-on. This is a great little scooter. I read this thing to the Bahamas. I wrote it. I took it to the Bahamas. Check that video out on my channel. All right, definitely. Definitely wider of a turning radius, but still really good. Still really good. You can navigate between these scooters, no problem. I do know the Transformer is going to have the widest turning radius out of them all, so I want to get on that one next to show you. When I turn the wheels all the way, that's as far as they go. It's just the way this folding scooter is. The design. It's still a great scooter, but I just known to have a wide turning radius. All right, so I'm turned all the way. That's a full turn. And I'm having to back up to go around these two scooters. So I mean, if you're in a shopping mall or someone, this really won't matter. It's just if you're going into a store, you'll have to, back it up a little bit. Alrighty, here we go with the fold. The first you're going to fold that seat down. Then you're going to fold your tiller down like so. Pick up on the base. And when you pick up on the base, you kind of push this tiller in on itself. And then from there, if you wanted to pull the scooter around or use it in, an airport or move it around, you could do that. And it's really cool with the wheels on the back to spin it around. All right, so to unfold it, from its position that it was just in, you were going to release this to the second latch, pull up on your tiller. Then from there, we're going to open this all the way. And I'm going to grab this little yellow handle on this backside. Once I grab that handle, grab the back of the seat, the scooter opens on up. If you take the battery out and the wheels off, this thing's only 31 pounds, so it's extremely lightweight. All right, one of the fan favorites, Buzzaround Carry-on. Seat comes off. You can take the battery out. If you wanted to make it lighter, your seat frame goes forward and the tiller goes down on top of it. You can now store your seat here for convenience, and like the eFOLDi, you can pull it around like a suitcase. If you were to take the battery out and the seat off, the scooter will only weigh 45 pounds, and I like how you can load it. You could load it like this, makes it a lot easier. To unfold it, your seat comes off, the tiller comes up, seat frame back, and you're all done. It's pretty easy. Now for the easiest of the bunch to fold and unfold, I'm going to demonstrate. Using this key fob, the scooter is going to fold itself halfway. It'll stop and you'll press the button one more time to fold it. Transformer 2 has been updated, so I feel comfortable telling you you could move around. Move it around like this. This one weighs 55 pounds. If you take the battery out, it weighs 51. And if you were to take the battery out, there's a release bar right here in the middle that you could manually fold it and unfold it. It also has a button right here. So you lose your key fob. While you're traveling, you can hit a button on the tiller to fold it and unfold it. So that's going to wrap up this comparison of my favorite folding scooters of 2023. If you want to purchase, one can visit mobilitydirect.com, zero tax-free shipping. Also, you can call 866-935-1069 and ask them for a Richard discount. Tell them Richard sent you. If you're lucky, you might. You might even get me on the phone, I have it. I've done other videos with all these scooters. So if you'd like to see a longer test ride and stuff like that, check out those videos. I'm currently doing a giveaway on this channel for a $4,000 outdoor scooter, and I'm going to announce the winner when we reach 10,000 subscribers. Also, if you subscribe to the Mobility Direct YouTube channel, they're giving away a scooter every 30 days. So make sure you go over there and subscribe. You can visit our website, mobilitydirect.com, and we will send you a catalog in about a week's time. Just gotta click on the green link at the top of the page. If you have a question or I forgot something, comment below and don't have a good day. Have a great day.